Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video we are going to talk about kudos as always, and in this video we are going to talk about the upcoming vesting. Before that, let's check about kudos on CoinMarketCap and check the current supply. So kudos is currently trading at this price, and if we check the current supply, it is 1.78 billions, but let me say you that it is going to be increased as the vesting is coming. If you don't know about what is vesting, then you can read the previous articles about that which has been said by kudos team itself. So let's just check about that, and when you go on that you will find what is vesting. So kudos vesting update, this article said in July. When you check about what is vesting, there is clearly stated that vesting tokens are tokens held aside by the blockchain projects developers in order to maintain the network, and certain security issues also has been found. So that's why teams allocate tokens in vesting times. So recent vesting update is kudos going to unlock and vest some tokens, and the token they will vest is 163 million, nearly 164 million they will vest, and they will unlock nearly 167 millions for the team. So again they have cleared what is vesting. You can think vesting process as similar to a central bank reserve. The bigger it is, the stronger the Fed countries currencies. So after that they have clearly stated that what they are staying doing, and currently they are going to unlock 330 million tokens in total, including 167 million for team and 163 million for reserves. If you think, there is nothing to worry about, as the team unlock tokens are totally going to stake, and if the token is going to stake, it will maintain the network stability. Let's check the staking status, and you can currently see there is 824 million tokens are staked currently, and it is going to be gradually increased by 167 millions of tokens add as the team is going to stake them, and this will help kudos to achieve 50% stake, and a lot going on. So hope you have understand what is vesting. If you think my video is helpful to you, then please like. Thank you.